Hello, welcome to 5th generation and welcome to another video testing, another vlog. The test natin ngayon ay the ENC Glock 19 John Wick or the ENC Glock 19 Taran Tactical Innovations. By the way, shout out kay Sir Israel of Pagbilao, Quezon Province. Okay. So ito yung Glock 19. This is Gen 3 na Taran Tactical Innovation roll marks with markings of Taran Tactical laser markings. Ayan. Sa kabila meron nakalagay Combat Master. Ayan. So this is ENC brand. Ayan yung sight. Nalalagyan din siya ng optic sight, flashlight, tracer units. Yung magazine niya ay 18 rounder capacity. Pwede rin dito ang magazine ng WE basta Glock 19. Ayan. So this is airsoft pistol by ENC, gas blowback. So bali may kasama na siyang gas. So this is the box. Owner's manual. Yun lang kasama niya. Tapos may kasama na siyang bala tsaka gas. Ito yung gas niya, Pop Dino standard power. At ito naman yung bala niya, 0.23 grams na 4,000 shots. Plastic BBs. Yan. Compact lang siya. Pwede rin siyang salpakan ng magazine na long, yung magazine na extended. Pwede rin siyang salpakan. Ayan. So lagay lang tayo ng gas. Upside down, inverted position, press. Ayan. And then lagay tayo ng BBs. Lagyan lang natin siya ng 4 para matest natin kung ilang EPS. Okay, so may gas na siya, may BBs. Testing. Check natin kung ilang EPS. Ganda niya, oh. Compact lang siya, oh. Ilan kayang EPS ito? Okay, testing. Huwag ka munang malobat. Okay. Yun, nalobat na. Nalobat na yung chrono. Okay, testing po natin yung kanyang EPS. Sinarge ko lang yung chrono. Nalobat po eh. Okay, so this is the Glock 19 na John Wick Gen 3 by ENC. Ayan. Firing. 320. Ang lakas din, no? 320.4. 320.4. Firing. 319.8. Firing. 308.6. Firing. 308.6. Yan. Okay, then nag-open slide. Release magazine. Pull back the slide. Hammer down. Okay, more testing. Okay, testing Glock 19 John Wick ng ENC Gen 3. Firing. Release mag, pull back the slide, hammer down. Okay, so this is the Glock 19 John Wick by ANC gas blowback. This is airsoft pistol. Thank you and have a nice day.